So, hello to everybody. I haven't put a video up for quite some time, so we've just been up at the shoot doing a few jobs and we've a spare hour, so we're going to try sighting our rifles in again. I haven't had it out this year so far, so we've set up, we've got our vehicles up here where we're going to be based from, and we've got some can't see them now. Some little, what we've done is put some potatoes on sticks into the ground down in this banking behind. So we've got some at 50 yards and some at 75 yards or 50 metres for metric people. So we'll see how we go on. Probably won't be able to hit them, but anyway, it's fun trying. So this is Nick's rifle. We're all using .17 HMRs. This is a CZ. I've got one exactly the same, except it's a wooden stock and slightly different scope. They've got silencers. Mine's actually got a slightly longer barrel and use a bipod.
Sound moderator.
Yeah, sound moderator. So this is mine. Mine's a CZ as well. Slightly different scope. Wooden stock. And body. Same bipod. But say mine's got a longer barrel for some reason. And 6x45 scope, which is a pretty decent scope. And I've got a 10-shot magazine. And these are the rounds we're using. The .17. But yeah, pretty good. They're all right for sort of up to 100 yards, 100 metres. But anyway, all right for what we're doing. We've got those targets down there. Got basically the potatoes on little sticks. Missed it. Oh, it actually is hit them. Yeah.
Shot all fella.
Oh, no.
There you go, there you go.
Marksman. One of them long ones.
I think I've had 2 out of 10. Yeah, missed that one.
I know. We're doing well with this rifle. To say that it's just been in cabinet.
Yeah,
Out.
Tend not to bother with him, don't you?
I know.
See what I can do.
Aye. So I'm just going to try something else. I've got my little tripod, so I'm setting my camera up next to the next to one of these potatoes, one of these spuds, and see if we can get a shot of it exploding. You can see we've made a mess of them. Just go to nothing, just explode. So it's pretty spectacular. But let's see if we can manage to get one. It's almost impossible to do it freehand. So for the last shot, I've taken the sound moderator off so you can see what a difference it makes.
More dramatic, won't it? More loud. Bang. That got it.
And that's it. Out of ammo. Hope you enjoyed the video. So yeah, that's us done. I hope you've enjoyed the video. We've had a bit of fun for an hour. I'll try and get some more videos done over the next month or so, as we get going into the season and towards the birds coming. But yeah, no, I hope you've enjoyed it. If you feel like you'd like to subscribe to the channel, please hit the button in the corner, in the right hand corner of the screen. Okay, cheers.